Hi, in this video I'm gonna give you a short review, a couple of close-ups of my new GoPro 11 aluminum case. Hello again. So in this video I'm gonna be talking about this aluminum case that I got for my GoPro. Something very simple, yet if you don't have it and you need to use some attachments like light or microphone, it's really hard to attach anything to that unless you have a GoPro mod. This is a metal frame that fits GoPro models from 9 to 13. In a kit we get metal cage, we get some hardware, extra screws, we got a silicone cover for your lens, and then we got a little attachment like this, which I'm gonna show you how to use it. So here's the case. Of course, we just slided our GoPro inside the case. It fits perfectly. So the best part of it is that you can still, with this cage on, you can open this side to get access to the battery, your card, and your port. On the top you get a cold shoe so you can slide your accessories, and on the side you can slide this thing. So all you do is slide it like this, and here's the location for the two screws that came with the kit, so you can permanently attach it to the side. So now I finally can attach my portable light if I have to use it, and I can also attach it to the side. We still get easy access to the mounting points on the bottom, so this will not interfere with anything. So in summary, this is great accessory for those who need extra attachments on your GoPro. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.